Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can take advantage of the Scalenut Black Friday deal for this year, which is currently year 2023. Now if you're a blogger like me, I don't need to explain to you how stressful it can be when it comes to rewriting article for our website. Now it can be more stressful when you even have more than one website, but thanks to AI writing software, all of that can now be automated. Now but when it comes to you writing article with AI, we have a lot of AI software out there, and one of the best is actually Scalenut. And for you to cut down the cost, the monthly cost of you using the Scalenut AI software to generate content for your website, you can actually take advantage of the ongoing Black Friday deal, which is going to start in the next 7 days. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So when you go to the description of the video, click the link there. It's going to bring you up to the Scalenut Black Friday page. Now if you are watching this video before the Scalenut Black Friday starts, what you can do is you can just come over here, then enter your email address to reserve the deal. All right, so if you don't want to wait till the Black Friday starts, you can just come over here, enter your email address, and gain access to over 60% lifetime discount on the ongoing Scalenut Black Friday deal. Now, and by chance, if you are watching this video when the Scalenut Black Friday deal is ongoing, what you also want to do is go to the description of the video. I'm going to add a valid link there that you can click, that is going to take you directly to the Black Friday special page on Scalenut that you can use to grab the Black Friday deal. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you the Scalenut actual pricing, the normal monthly pricing of Scalenut, then show you the features and what you can actually get from each plan. Then we're going to compare it with the ongoing Black Friday price. So let me go over to the Scalenut normal pricing page. Now if you come to the normal pricing page on Scalenut, you're going to see that the first plan here is the essential plan, which is going to cost you $39 per month, and the next one, which is the growth plan, is going to cost you $79 per month, and the pro plan is going to cost you $149 per month. So for the essential plan, now this is going to give you access to 100,000 worth of AI written content. So you'll be able to create 5 SEO articles with the essential plan. Then you're also going to gain access to the traffic insight. So there's a weekly trend digest that you're going to gain access to. Then it's also come with 40 plus AI templates, SaaS analysis, NLP key terms, SEO editor, document sharing, email support, and live chat support. So for the growth plan, as you can see here, now you're going to gain access to unlimited AI words. You'll be able to create 30 SEO articles, and you'll be able to do web page analysis, which is up to 200 pages per month, and you'll be able to also build keyword cluster, which is 30 cluster per month, and you can also do audit and page optimization, which goes for 30 pages per month, and you have unlimited tone of voice. Then you have the fix it auto optimizer, one click WordPress publish. Then we have additional SaaS credits and other integration for the growth plan. So when you look at the pro plan now, which goes for $149 per month, now this gives you access to unlimited AI words. You can create 75 SEO articles, you can analyze up to 500 pages, and you can build up to 75 cluster per month. Then you gain access to the cannibalization features. Then you can audit up to 75 pages per month, then dedicated CS manager, then add one additional user, which goes for $49 per the user. Now when we go over to the Black Friday page, now this is the discount you're going to be getting. Now when you look at the essential plans, which goes for $39, so this is the essential plans, it goes for $39. So on the Black Friday discount page, now this is what you're going to be paying. You're going to be paying $16 per month for the essential plan. And when you look at the growth plan, which goes for $79, so the growth plan goes for $79, and you're going to gain access to $31 for the growth plan, and the pro plan, which goes for $149, you're going to be paying $60 per month instead of $149 per month. And the best thing about this Black Friday deal is that you're going to gain access to this for life, so you don't have to worry about you increasing your monthly payment. Once you secure this Black Friday deal, this is what you're going to be paying for your lifetime account. So which is the perfect opportunity for you to upgrade your account if you have an account with them already, you can actually upgrade your account and use this Black Friday deal to secure your account. So if you are watching this video before the actual Black Friday starts, what you want to do is just go to the description of the video, click the link there, then reserve your email address. And if by chance you are watching when the Black Friday is actually ongoing, also go to the description of the video. I'm going to add a valid link that is going to take you directly to the Black Friday deal page that you can use to upgrade your plan. And before I round up, I quickly want to show you that when you look at the normal Scalenut pricing, now when you look at the essential pricing, you're going to see that you can create 5 SEO articles per month for the normal pricing. But when you grab the Black Friday deal, you'll be able to create 15 SEO articles per month instead of the normal 5 articles per month, as you can see here. So when you look at a growth plan, instead of the normal 30 SEO articles you can write per month, you'll be able to write 90 SEO articles per month. And for the pro plan, you're going to see that instead of the 75 SEO articles you can write per month, you'll be able to write 225 SEO articles per month instead of the normal 75 SEO articles per month. Now when you look at the growth plan also, you see the normal pricing gives you ability to analyze 200 pages, but when you grab the Black Friday SEO deal, you're going to get access to 600 pages per month. So this means you'll be able to analyze 600 pages with the Black Friday deal. And for the pro plan, you'll be able to analyze 1,500 pages per month. So the normal pricing gives you access to 500 pages per month, but with the Black Friday deal, you'll be able to analyze 1,500 pages per month. So for the keyword cluster, the growth plan gives you access to 30 pages per month, but for the Black Friday deal, you'll be able to audit 90 pages per month. And for the pro plan, instead of the 75 pages per month, you'll be able to audit 225 pages per month. So this is the best time for you to take advantage of the ongoing Black Friday. And like I said earlier, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video, so just go there, click the link there, and secure the Black Friday deal. If you have an existing account, you can use this opportunity to upgrade your account. And if you don't have an account already, just go to the description of the video, click the link there, secure the Black Friday. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.